Ahoj. Hello, everyone. So, one of the essential things what to learn when you are planning to stay sometime in Czech Republic is ordering in restaurant or in a coffee shop, right? So for today, we will listen to conversation of two friends visiting a coffee and ordering, and then we will have a look at the essential phrases that you need to know and the vocabulary, what is very needed for ordering in a coffee shop, restaurant, basically anywhere. So let's listen. Dobrý den. Dobrý den. Dobrý den. Co si dáte? Dám si prosím cappuccino a čokoládový croissant. Kolik stojí prosím koláč? Koláč stojí 45 korun. Ten koláč je moc dobrý. Dobře, tak já si dám espresso a koláč. Tady nebo sebou? Tady? Ano, dáme si to tady. Bude to dohromady nebo zvlášť? Dohromady, prosím. Díky. Chcete platit hotově nebo kartou? Kartou, prosím. Dobře, moc děkuji. Hezký den. Děkujeme. Nashledanou. Nashledanou. So how it was. Now let's listen to it one more time while reading the actual text. Číšník is waiter. Eva is female name. Tomáš is male name. So, let's read. Dobrý den. Dobrý den. Dobrý den. Co si dáte? Dám si prosím cappuccino a čokoládový croissant. Kolik stojí prosím koláč? Koláč stojí 45 korun. Ten koláč je moc dobrý. Dobře, tak já si dám espresso a koláč. Tady nebo s sebou? Tady. Ano, dáme si to tady. Bude to dohromady nebo zvlášť? Dohromady, prosím. Díky. Chcete platit hotově nebo kartou? Kartou, prosím. Dobře, moc děkuji. Hezký den. Děkujeme. Nashledanou. Nashledanou. Now, let's dissect it by sections and we will learn the vocabulary. Dobrý den. We've discovered that in the previous lessons means good day. Co si dáte? Co si dáte is phrase, what would you like? What are you getting for yourself? Dám si prosím. Dám si prosím is typical phrase when you are saying that you would like to have something. Dám si prosím. Moving on. Kolik stojí prosím koláč? Kolik stojí is the phrase when you are asking for a price. Kolik means how much, stojí means to cost something. Kolik stojí, prosím, koláč? How much is the pie? Koláč stojí 45 korun. Koláč stojí 45 korun. The pie costs 45 crowns. Then the waiter is asking, tady nebo s sebou? Tady means here, nebo is or, s sebou, the literal translation of s sebou means with you, with yourself. But for English, more natural translation, we can just think of it as takeaway. So tady nebo s sebou. And Tomáš at the end is saying, ano, dáme si to tady. Yes, we will have it here. The last part. Bude to dohromady nebo zvlášť? Dohromady means together. Zvlášť is separately. Bude to dohromady nebo zvlášť? Dohromady, prosím. he says together, please. Chcete platit hotově nebo kartou? Chcete platit hotově nebo kartou? Do you want to pay by cash or by card? Hotově means cash, kartou, card. What he says, kartou prosím, by card please. So, that's it. Now, let's listen to it one more time. Let's read. Dobrý den, dobrý den, dobrý den. Co si dáte? Dám si prosím cappuccino a čokoládový croissant. Kolik stojí prosím koláč? Koláč stojí 45 korun. Ten koláč je moc dobrý. Dobře, tak já si dám espresso a koláč. Tady nebo se sebou? Tady. Ano, dáme si to tady. Bude to dohromady nebo zvlášť? Dohromady, prosím. Díky. Chcete platit hotově nebo kartou? Kartou, prosím. Dobře, moc děkuji. Hezký den. Děkujeme. Nashledanou. Nashledanou. So, what to take from this lesson? Here are the most essential phrases. Co si dáte? What would you like? Dám si, prosím. I'm gonna get. I would like this and this, please. Hotově, by cash. Kartou, by card. Tady, here. Se sebou, take away. So, I hope you like this class. This is gonna be very useful, even though you are a tourist coming for Prague for a very short time. This will be very helpful if you maybe will speak with waiter who is not that much good in English, and for sure the Czech locals would be very pleased with you. So listen to it how many times you need. Thank you so much and see you at the next video. Nashledanou!